Hello, I'm Dale Rhodes from Personal Tailoring Online. During the pandemic, my tailoring business, as I'm sure a lot of your tailoring businesses, has taken a big hit. One of the things we did in this period was Zoom meetings, and we tried to rustle up business to keep everything rolling the best we could. Now, part of that process for me, where I tend to get super involved in things like a lot of us tailors do. So we ended up where we created an online system, an online form where our customers could put the measurements in, understand how to check the measurements themselves and send the measurements in to us. We've created it and it's brilliant. We're working off finished garments because, as you will know as a tailor, it's an inexact science and it's a nightmare to get a good set of measurements. But one of the problems we've come across is globally everybody tends to use different ways of measuring. A lot of us will use different outsourcing factories, some are making house, but what we've done is we've created a measure form so the customer can measure their garments, their existing garments, in a way that then will allow you to take those measurements and apply them however you need to your system. So that's a great resource, and all you need to do is just send a link out to your clients that can fill it in, put your email address in and send you a good set of measurements and design, etc. We've started another company during the pandemic, which is selling fabric online. Now, these are all English fabrics because we love us English fabrics over here in Yorkshire. And it allows you to send that link to your clients and they can go online, look at fabrics, pick swatches and have the swatches sent out to them for feeler swatches. And we're using the top merchants like Holland & Sherry, Bateman, we're involved with Dugdale's, a lot of good merchants, more to come on board. We've got over 1,000 fabrics online. Now, I know some of you tailors as well will have your own fabrics that you want to sell in-house and you'll have different bunches, which is fine. What I'm asking you to do, if you're using our fabric services, don't abuse it. We're going to be sending you swatches out, and even if you do some of yours and some of ours, that works, but don't abuse our system and have swatches going out and be subbing them at your end, because if you do, we'll block you. Everything we do on Personal Tailoring Online is for the greater good of the community. You're also probably thinking, hang on, he's getting our data, he's going to collect our information, what could I do with this? Well, obviously your data's protected, firstly. My interests, for me personally, I'm 61-year-old. I've done my measuring, I've got a great client base, and they're enough for me. I've no real intentions to grow my tailoring business anymore. I run a successful property business as well as other companies, and tailoring, to be fair, is the hardest one of all to run. We are looking at offering training to tailors, which is showing them how to use the measuring and how to do the presentation, to students to bring in the next generation of tailors. So on Personal Tailoring Online, my ambition is to start training and bringing new people into the industry. New people to work with existing clients, and a lot of us as tailors are beginning to become dinosaurs like myself, and we need to be bringing young blood in and training them. To do this, we need systems and resources that are different to what we've been used to. So this is what personal tailoring is all about. You as a tailor, wherever you are, could actually set people out selling on your behalf with an iPad, showing the fabrics on an iPad, a swatch card. They can take measurements in an office and they could then send the orders into you. I mean, it's there for everybody. I don't know what direction it's going to go in. We're going to be putting in lots of work on YouTube and social media, blogs, etc. But I'd like you to be a part of it. Feel free to have a go, try it. As I say, our services are free. Our measure system's great. Fabric system's good. If you want to get in touch, WhatsApp me, call me, and we'll speak. Thanks very much for watching the video. I hope that some people out there are going to get a lot of benefits from it. And if that's what happens, and tailors all over the world, if one tailor that watches this video makes a couple of orders he wanted done, then it's been worth making. Thanks for watching my off-the-cuff video, and see you in the next one. Bye for now.